Okay everyone, so just waking up a normal day, let's turn our beast on. There we go. Just a normal Volkswagen pickup. It's not, I can't call it a truck. It's kind of like a small pickup, just fine for the everyday usage and to go to work and stuff like that. Let's back here into our house. There we go. And today actually is not a normal day because we are getting a single turbo kit for this Volkswagen. Now this has actually a powerful engine, and by the way, I forged the gasket, and the pistons are forged. I have a custom exhaust as well, downpipe, midpipe, just everything that can make this car sound better. Right now it's stock except for the forged parts, but it has 99 horsepower, which is great. A little truck here. We are getting to the shop. I mean, this is actually the car shop, because kind of like here is the shop, and then just that red thing right there is the auto zone basically. So let's get back to the shop. I'm just going to put our car up on the lift and wait so that someone can come here. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, now the mechanic told me that he had to move the car, but no problem at all. And the results were great. Now this is a 1.6 liter inline 4. Now it has a single turbo kit, and the sound is great. Just I'm going to give you guys a little tease. That's it. Front wheel drive, that means lots of burning rubber. We're going to get through tires really fast, so I have to be careful on that. And I actually just filled up the tank as well. Could I just have to full throttle pull, second gear. Very strong. Wow, these cars actually sound amazing. You just gotta be careful on the RPMs, because I don't want, even though I have forged internals and stuff, I don't want to blow my engine. Let's take this avenue right here. Gotta be careful, because just in a blink of an eye this car can kill you basically. Ooh, speed bump right here. actually very fun car to have around. Here, let's take advantage of this pretty much traffic light. Let's do a full throttle pull. I'm going to go like bouncing RPMs. Full turbo, let's go. Not what I expected, because let's actually try this again. Because you know, when you go full throttle, the RPMs just keep holding, and when you launch, it's like a, I don't know, like a crazy horse. It just starts spinning wheel very fast. So it's better to go like low RPMs, about 3,500 or 4,000. You know, that way you get more traction, and you actually let the turbo fill up itself. Here we gotta be careful, you know, police standing just about there. Right here. The guy who did this mod, you know, did it perfectly, because you have everything. Let's turn right over here. And we actually have a house right here, which is one of my favorites on this map. Why? You'll see why. Because you have here a driveway, and you actually have a covered car garage, which is this right here. Pretty much my favorite house on this map. Okay, let's back in or back out of the driveway. Oh my god, what I'm doing. I actually want to test out two things. Now, first of all, I want to try and launch again at 4,000 RPM or rotations per minute. And the second thing, I want to try to launch on second gear, which is going to be pretty challenging for us. But you know, I hope we can actually do it. So first of all, let's try burnout, okay? First gear, first attempt, here we go. No problem at all. Let's warm up the tires a little bit. Second gear, oh my god, I actually thought that. I think that was fourth gear. I missed a gear. Let's try this again. First of all, first gear. Second gear, no problem at all. Make a turn. Let's try third gear since the tires are so hot. No problem at all. Fourth gear, you know, car can't handle it. Restarted the car. Now let's go back and do those tests I told you guys before. Now I actually want to apologize to you guys, because the last gameplay I really didn't like it, because it was you know, moving around and playing around with the settings on open broadcast software, and it turned out that I did pretty much a screw up. The game was all laggy and stuff. This is a actually good straight road. Let's use it. Okay. Oh. First test in 3, 2, 1. 4,000. actually on second gear was the problem, so let's try second gear. Okay, second test. I actually want to go full throttle because of, I want the turbos to be filled up. Like that, no problem at all. Second gear, just jumped in. The problem really was when I changed from second to third gear. The car actually lost power. Let's just continue with our path. And I actually want to tell you guys something. So all the gear numbers and the gear ratios are exactly the same and original as the car has. Like all the numbers I grabbed, even tire pressure, everything is as original as I could do it. Even torque and horsepower is as original as I could get. Even fuel tank, how many liters it can store, it's exactly the same as the original. Everything is actually the same. Now I'm going to stop here at this place because I want to restart my car, because those launches actually screw up my tires. Okay, just restarted the car. Now I'm going to go towards the end of this video, going full throttle and trying to make a fast lap on this Volkswagen pickup. Ooh, I have no ABS, I just remembered that. Just crushed into the wall. That's the problem, you actually have no ABS, so your wheels completely lock. There we go, that's how you go through speed bumps in a cool way. So if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to be subscribed. We are heading towards 110 subscribers. We are at 107. Just 3 more subscribers will be at 110, which is always a special number. And if we gain more, about 5,500 views, I'll be able to monetize my videos again, because YouTube has made a new policy that you can only monetize and give ads for your video if you have 10,000 plus total views. Ooh, there we go, lost control a little bit, but that's okay. Make sure to be subscribed to the channel. I'm going to be ending this video right now. And make sure to smash that like button. Tell all your parents, friends, anyone to watch my channel. Be aware of the channel so that you can see new uploads. And make sure that you activate the bell sign so that you can be... Oh my god, we just destroyed. So that you can, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So make sure to do that and to be subscribed as well. Let's end this video with a epic and huge burnout.